Reports out of a U.S. oil ban. Things are about to get messy, folks. Coming up here in the Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 7:41 here in the middle part of the country on Tuesday. It is March 8th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Just off the presses, at least as I am filming this video, Chris Coons, venerable U.S. Senator, has said on CNN that the U.S. will ban oil from Russia, and an announcement from the White House is likely to take place Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Wow. This was sort of the ace of spades in all of the sanctions talk. Every other sanction that the U.S. has imposed has specifically outlined that energy is not in any way affected. Of course, there have been soft bans. Companies are refusing to trade from Russia. Shell getting lambasted for buying a cargo of Russian crude. But now, a real ban. A ban. It sounds like, something was going on in the White House, right? It sounds like a West Wing episode. Is it a soft ban? No, it's a ban. It's a real ban. Russia responding. Oil's going to go to $300. And they might cut off European gas if the U.S. and the rest of NATO start banning Russian oil from their markets. This is a big thing, right? Russian, huge exporter of energy. We've talked about that a number of times here on the channel. Oil at 120. I think this changes the narrative on a go-forward basis. I really do. Folks see oil creeping to 150, creeping to 200, which is now on the table, right? An outright ban. Energy independence becomes a campaign topic. Probably becomes a number one campaign topic if you're a Republican, right? Let's lower our gas prices. Let's drill here in the U.S. where we have plenty of oil. ESG probably doesn't work out that well, right? The green movement probably does not really have much of a platform if you're really affecting the lives of consumers on a go-forward basis. I think these last 3 weeks have changed the next 10 years in terms of political discussion and its effect on markets. Speaking of markets going crazy, London Metal Exchange closed this morning in London. They closed their nickel trading. 250% spike in nickel, of course, goes into stainless steel, among other uses. Tsingshan is a big producer of the metal in China. Can't cover their margin calls. Here's how it works. Brief 20-second explainer of margin calls. Producer sells forward production, right? They have metal in the ground. We're going to mine nickel, sell it. We need to get cash in now, A, so we can get terms of financing with our bank, and B, to get cash in the door to pay for that mining. We want to secure our future prices. Here's the issue. When you sell that contract forward, you have to deposit margin, part of that cash payment that you received, in case the price goes up and someone wants to sell their contract that they have long against your short. You want to make sure that they can liquidate that. As the price goes up, you have to deposit more and more cash with the exchange. If you are a large producer, Tsingshan, the largest producer in the world, you have to deposit more and more cash at even higher and higher amounts to cover that short position, even if you're hedged by the metal in the ground. You have to deposit cash. You can't deposit nickel. Really bad things happen when commodities spiral. They're not like stocks. They do not soar up 50%, 60% on a revaluation. They double and triple like that. Seeing it in oil, seeing it in nickel, seeing it throughout the economy. Tremendous uncertainty on the cost side for producers, tremendous uncertainty overall. On a go-forward basis, We always think it's important to have inflation hedges like commodity exposure in your portfolio. That's why we call them a special asset class, and quite frankly, they are part of the reason why portfolios are staying afloat this year. If you want additional information on how commodities hedge your portfolio, we have a video for that. It's here on the YouTube channel. Check it out. We always think it's important to have a special interest, little bucket in your portfolio just to hedge inflation. Look at our asset allocation video. I'll post a link here in the description below. That was a lot of talk on commodities and geopolitics for one day. Hopefully we can get back to companies tomorrow. And with that, thank you very much. If you want additional information, feel free to find me on the internet. Until then, hope you and your family have a great rest of your Tuesday. I am out.